Right, good evening everyone. In last class we have started learning second topic, that is second chapter, you can say comments and Java tokens. As part of comments and Java tokens, we have completed comments and we completed identifiers. We are learning keywords. In keywords, we have completed half of the syllabus, half of the points we completed. So what is a comment? Why comment? Okay, when we should, sorry. What is a keyword? Okay, repeating again. So we completed comments. We started a second chapter, comments and keywords. As part of comments, identifiers, keywords. So we completed comments, identifiers. Now we are trying to learn keywords. As part of keywords, we completed half of the syllabus completed. First, we discussed about what is a keyword, and then we discussed what why keyword. What is a keyword? Why keyword? Next, what are the different operations we can do by using keyword, and in which version, how many keywords we have, in which version how many keywords are given, we have understood. Then in this class, let us try to convert list of all 51 keywords we have. Now let's see. So now first, simply you need to remember this, what do you call, this is a list of operations, and under that list of operations how many keywords are coming, just we need to make a note, that's it. Under package creation and usage, you will have two keywords. Okay, what the two keywords? First one is package, second one is import. Okay, and then next, under class creation we have three keywords. Okay, continuation number I am giving. First one is what? Class. All you people know how many different types of classes we can create? Class and interface, class interface, and we have enum. Okay, class interface, and enum. In which version enum given? Java 5 version, right? Java 5, sorry, yeah, Java 5 version we have enum. The next category is what? Variable and method creation. Under variable and method creation we have 8 plus 1. What the meaning of 8 plus 1? I will explain. Variable creating keywords we call data types. Okay, and methods creation keywords are called return types. So the data types and return types we have 8 plus 1. What the meaning of 8 plus 1? We have keywords byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean. Okay, and we have one more, that is void. Okay, so these are the keywords we have: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, void. Now these keywords, why I have named it as 8 plus 1? Why I have not taken 9? Actually keywords are 9, but I have not taken what you call 9, because to give you information, what the information I'm trying to give you here, these byte to boolean data types are used as both data types and return types for creating variables and methods. Okay, whereas void keyword is used as only return type keyword for creating method. So to address this point, I have taken 8 plus 1. Now tell me, how many data type keywords? 8. How many return type keywords? Not 1, 9. Okay, because all 8 I can use as a data type also, na? All these 8 can be used as a data type, also can be used as a return type. So all these 8 data types can also be used as a return type. That's why the number is what? 9. So 8 data types, 9 return types. So I have written the reason plus 1 means I want to address the total keywords are 9 and data types are 8. and the return type are 9. So to address this point, I have written like that. Fine. The next category keywords. Okay, what are the next category keywords? Providing memory location. Already you know we have two keywords, static and new keyword. I am not giving a number here. Okay, for static keyword I am not giving number. I am giving number only to the new keyword. I am leaving static keyword without number. Okay, the reason I will tell you. Next, control flow statements keywords. I have totally 11 control flow statements are there. These 11 control flow statements are divided into three groups. Okay, what the three groups are? First group is conditional or decision making. Conditional decision making. Second group is loop or loop or iterative. Loop or iterative. Third one is third one is branching or transfer. Okay. Now the decision making keywords are 5. Iterative keywords are 3. Transfer keywords are 3. What the conditional statements? Okay, continuation number 16. I'm taking if and then else. And next switch, and next case, and then default. Okay, case and default. So these are the 5 keywords comes under conditional or decision making. Then next, loop or iterative. Okay, what do you call? While and for. Okay, while, do, and then for. So the 3 keywords comes under loop or iterate. The next, branching or transfer statements, we have 3. What are the 3? Break, continue, and then return. Okay, like in C language, in Java we don't have go to here. Okay, so go to we don't have in C language. I mean in C we have go to, but in Java we do not have go to here. So we have only these 3 keywords will be comes under branching. So these 11 keywords are comes under what? Control flow statements. So 5 are comes under conditional, 3 are comes under loop, 3 are comes under branching. Okay. Next category keywords, setting access level permission. This access level permission keywords are called accessibility modifiers. Okay, how many accessibility modifiers are there? We have 4 accessibility modifiers. They are 27 is private. I'm not giving a number here. Without giving a number, I'm giving default. It is also called as, I'm giving this is in Angular bracket, and we call it as package private. And next 28 we have protected, and next 29 public. Okay, so these are 4 keywords comes under what? Accessibility modifiers. Why I'm not giving number to this? Because it is not a keyword, it is a concept. According to concept, accessibility modifiers are 4. According to concept, accessibility modifiers are 4. But according to keywords, accessibility modifiers are 3. Default is not a keyword, it's just a concept. If I don't use private, protected, public in creating variable or method, then default will be applied. In accessibility modifier chapter you will understand that point. Then next category is setting execution level permissions. So these are not working on accessibility, these are working, these 3 keywords are 4, these 4 keywords or 4 concepts are working on accessibility. The next coming are working on execution. So I would like to call them as execution level modifiers. Okay, we have 8 execution level modifiers. What are they? Okay, first one is static, and then final, and then abstract, native. Okay, static final abstract native. Then next keyword I'm writing side for easy remembering purpose. Transient, transient, volatile, synchronized, synchronized, strict FP. Okay, so these are the 8 keywords are there: static, final, abstract native, transient, volatile, synchronized, strict FP. So totally how many modifiers? Accessibility modifiers are 4, execution level modifiers are 8, total modifiers are 12. Okay, you have to include this default also. So totally 12 modifiers we have. Then next, establishing inheritance relation, we have 2 modifiers, 2 keywords are there. What the 2 keywords? Number 1, extends, and number two implements. Okay, extends and implements are the 2 keywords comes under inheritance relation creation. And the next, representing object and its members. Okay, we have 3 keywords are there for representing. They are this, this, super, and this super instance of. Okay, this super instance of. These are 3 keywords comes under representing object and its members. And the next, handling user mistakes. To handle user mistakes, okay, nothing but this topic is called exception handling. Okay, we have exception handling. For exception handling totally we have 5 plus 1. So what the meaning of 5 plus 1 I will tell you. Then 43 we have try, and then catch, catch, finally, throw. Okay, throws, try, catch, finally, throws. Right, you can learn, you can remember these keywords in any order: try, catch, finally, throws, or throws, try, catch, finally. But these 3 are one group, throws is one group. And last but not least, 48, it is assert. Okay, assert. So these are the keywords we have as part of exception handling, totally 6 keywords. Now this assert keyword is given in Java 1.4 version, and here strict FP modifier is given in 1.1.2 version. So these are the totally 50 keywords, totally 51 keywords we are seeing. These are the 51 keywords. But carefully observe, um, here how many keywords I specified? 51 keywords. But how many keywords final total we got? 48. Sorry, one is we'll see later, 50. So where happened the 2 keywords missing? Generally people are feeling that I have not given number here. Okay, one number I missed here, and one number I am missing here. They're feeling, no, I didn't miss. Static keyword I have written 2 times in memory allocation and in modifiers. 2 times I have written. That's why not given number. And default coming here and also coming here, 2 times coming. That's why I not given number. Only 1 time I given number. Then now what are the missing keywords? So we have one more category keyword is there, that is unimplemented. We can call it as unimplemented keywords or unused keywords, because we cannot use. We have 2. What are they? 49, that is go to keyword and const. Go to and const. So these 2 keywords are declared. These 2 are there in the list, but they doesn't have any functionality. I told you every keyword must perform some functionality. These 2 keywords are not performing any functionality. Just they have dumbly created. Then why they created? If you remember identifier chapter, in identifier I told you, if you don't want to use one word as a user defined identifier, it should be a keyword. If you create something as a keyword, you cannot use as an identifier. Sun Microsystems don't want to use these 2 words as a user defined identifier by the programmer, because most of the people are coming from C and C++ to Java. Then in Java, if you use go to and const as user defined identifier, some reasons if you create, then C++ people are coming from C and C++ language to Java language, they will get confused. To stop Java programmer to use these two words as a user defined identifiers, they have created as a keywords. As an alternative to these two keywords, goto is not required because our Java is not a procedural programming language. Goto is required in procedural programming language for sending the control from one line number to another line number. Java doesn't require const because Java has provided a special keyword called final. By using final, we are making, where is that? In execution level modifier we have. Now we have final keyword. By using final keyword, we are making constants. So now we don't require of const keyword in Java. Then when they're not required, why they have given as a keywords and not implemented? Only for stopping us to use it as a identifier. Then 12th keyword, that is Java 9 version new keyword, that is one keyword is there, that is underscore. So why underscore is given as a keyword? Same reason, for stop using single underscore as a what do you call a user defined identifier. They have noticed in Java 8 version, they have introduced a concept called lambda expression. As part of lambda expression, if you want to create a parameter, you can choose any name. Then as part of the parameter lambda expression, if anybody say take underscore, then there is a confusion, okay? So to stop using underscore in the lambda expression as a parameter, they have declared it as a, what do you call keyword, so that we are not allowed to use as a user defined identifier. So these are the totally 51 keywords are there as part of what you call Java language. So if interview ask a question, how many keywords are there in Java? You must answer 51 keywords are there. Can you name all 51 keywords? Yes, we can name. So for package creation and usage, we have two keywords, that is package and import. Class creation, we have three keywords, class, interface, enum. For variables and methods creation, okay, we have 9 data type and return type keywords: byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, boolean, void. For providing memory to variables and methods, we have two keywords, static and new. For controlling flow of execution, we have 11 keywords. They are conditional or branching statement 5, if else, switch case default, looping or iterative statements 3. For okay, do, while, or you can follow the order while, do, for. And for transferring the control or branching control, we have 3 keywords: break, continue, return. Next, so for setting the accessibility permissions, we have 4 accessibility modifiers: private, default, protected, public. For setting the execution level modifiers, we have 8 keywords: static, final, abstract, native, transient, volatile, synchronized, TFP. For establishing inheritance relation, we have 2 keywords: extends and implements. For representing object and its members, we have 3 keywords: this, super, instance of. For handling the exceptions, okay, exception handling purpose, we have 6 keywords: try, catch, finally, throw, throws, assert. So we have 2 unimplemented keywords, go to and const, for stopping us to use as a user defined identifier. Then Java 9 version, we have 1 keyword, that is underscore. So these are the 51 keywords given in Java language, right? Then now there is a small confusion in the people mind, right? If you use edit plus, this confusion will clearly understand. When you open Java program, in a Java program, okay, observe static showing in the blue color, public showing the blue color, static showing the blue color, void showing the blue color. I hope you understand. All these are keywords. And string is a predefined class, system is a predefined class showing in red color, and a text is showing in a pink color. Okay. By seeing this edit plus colors, some people are in a confusion. They're treating true as a keyword, false as a keyword, null as a keyword. Okay. By seeing this blue color, people are feeling these are the keywords. Then people are started telling Java supports 54 keywords because 3 additional. These 3 are not keywords. Okay, these are the literals. These are the values. These are the constants. So people are having that confusion because lack of edit plus proper knowledge. So edit plus have the implicit configurations for showing keywords in blue color. For example, I'm taking my name Hari. Look at that. My name is also showing in blue color. Does it mean Hari is a keyword in Java? No. Now I'm taking one name called Balaya. Okay, it is showing in red color. That doesn't mean Balaya is a what you call a predefined class name. No, these are the configurations in Edit Plus. In Edit Plus, you can do that configuration to get blue color, red color. So this is a editor configuration, not Java configuration. So everything showing in the blue color is not a keyword, that is a configuration. For example, I'm taking one class called scanner. Scanner is showing in a black color, but it is a predefined class. Okay, so inside this edit plus software, this scanner name is not used, that's why it is showing in a black color. So be careful, don't by following the editor colors you don't come across, don't decide this is a keyword, that is a class. Okay, you should remember all these keywords. Then now we have three word words look like a keyword. They are default literals, we call them as default literals. How many are there? Three. Okay, what are the three? Boolean literals. Boolean literals are two. They are number one, true, false, and next, null literal. Null literal. We have one literal under null literal. That is null. Okay. So very, very important point. These three words are look like keywords. These three are not keywords. What are they? These three words are reserved words. These three words are reserved words. What the meaning of reserved? Reserved means you are not allowed to use. So when you go to any audio function, in the first row you will have chairs. On chairs there will be a board reserved. Then you are not allowed to go and sit. When you are traveling in bus, okay, front two chairs will have reserved for handicapped people, reserved for MLA, reserved for MP. I don't know why that reserved for MLA MP is still, the funny thing is still in the buses that seats are there reserved for MLA, reserved for MP. So why MLA MP will come in ordinary buses? If they come in ordinary buses, okay, then why people are suffering this much? I don't know. Okay, right. And next, if you see the buses, now right side of the bus, you'll have reserved for ladies. So you are not allowed to go and sit. Reserved means that words you are not allowed to use in your program for your own purpose. These are the reserved words. Okay, I can say more precisely. These three words are reserved literals. Literals means values. They act as a values. Okay, tell me now. Because they are not keywords. They are not keywords. Can we use them as? Because these three words are not keywords. Can we use them as? Even though these three words are not keywords, we cannot use them as user defined identifiers. Because why? Because they are reserved literals. Right. The next very important point, in Java 10 version we have another new identifier, special identifier. Try to observe the word. I'm not using the keyword, I'm not using the reserved word, I'm using the word called what? In Java 10 version we have another new special identifier has given, that is VAR. Okay, VAR, very important. VAR, from which version onwards it came? 10 version. Many people are feeling it is a keyword. Okay, it is not keyword. It is not a keyword. or it is not a reserved word. It is just a special identifier having special meaning to compiler for creating local variables with type inference. With a type inference. To catch my point? In Java 10 version, we have another new special identifier. We have another new special identifier that is where. Let me bring it here. That is where. Now tell me, it is not a keyword, okay, and or it is not a reserved word. What is then this? It is just a special identifier having special meaning to compiler for creating local variable. What the meaning of it? Type with a type inference. Okay, that means from Java 10 version onwards, what can I do? From Java 10 version onwards, we can create local variables. We can create local variables. We can create local variables as what? We can create local variables by using where without using data type explicitly. Okay, let me give an example so that you will get clarity. What is that? I am writing something like int a equal to 10. Here int is the data type. Int is the data type. Okay, int is the data type. So from which you up to we follow this style, up to which version? Up to Java 10 version, sorry, up to Java 9 version. From Java 10 version onwards, in place of int I can write where a equal to 10. Okay, where a equal to 10 I can write. So then tell me, here we didn't use, what? Int data type. Okay, okay, Java, it is allowed from which version onwards? Java 10 version onwards. Okay, it is allowed from Java 10 version onwards. So these are the important point. So very, very important point. People are feeling where is a keyword. People are feeling where is a reserved word. It is not a keyword. It is not a reserved word. Okay. Okay, about what? Java, I mean keywords topic, complete knowledge on keywords. Then in Java 9 version, we got two changes. What are the two changes? Number one, we got underscore as a keyword. Then next, we got another change called module system. Okay, we got module system. According to module system, you should create module program. Okay, while creating module program, I need some more special keywords. Java 9 version, we call them as restricted keywords. They are not keywords, they are restricted keywords. What the difference between keywords and restricted keywords? Okay, for module system, in Java 9 version, we got 10 more special keywords. Okay, these 10 keywords are called as restricted keywords because they are considered as restricted, because they are considered as keywords only in the module program. Okay, they are not considered as they are not considered as what? Keywords in regular class and interface program. Okay, that means inside a class and inside interface, they are not considered as a keyword. It means inside a class and interface, we can use these 10 keywords as user defined identifier. Okay, this is a very, very important point. From Java 9 version onwards, for module programming, we got 10 more special keywords. These 10 keywords are called as restricted keywords because they are considered as keywords only in the module programming. They are not considered as keywords in a class and interface program. It means inside a class and inside interface, we can inside a class and inside interface, okay, we can use these 10 keywords as a user defined identifier. What the meaning of it? For example, we have, okay, for example, let me write here. I'm writing class called A. Inside class A, I can create a variable with the name module equal to 10 allowed. For example, I'm writing a method. Method name I am writing as transient. Okay, no, not transitive. There is a keyword called transitive. Let's say, okay, method na transitive of open bracket closure bracket. So these two keywords, module and transitive, are the keywords. These two are the keywords under what? Module programming. So these two are comes under module programming. We can use these two as an identifiers inside a class program. Okay, here allowed and here also allowed. No problem. Okay, now let us try to see what are the 10. So these are the 10 keywords are given as part of. These are the 10 keywords are given as part of module programming. First keyword is module. First keyword is module. Module requires, transitive, exports, opens, to, provides with, and uses. So these are the 10 keywords are given as part of Java 9 module system. Let's see, Java module has given 10 special keywords. What are they? First one is what? Module. Module requires transitive, exports opens, to, provides with, uses. Somewhere number missing. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 uses. Module is the main keyword which groups all these keywords. Okay, requires and transitive are the connected keywords. Exports, opens connected to, provides and uses. Provides is connected to with and uses. So whatever I have written here, requires, exports, opens, provides, uses. These 4 plus 2, 6 keywords are independent keywords. Transitive, to, and with are the dependent keywords. You cannot use them directly. You can use a transitive with requires. To can use exports, opens, with provides, okay, and uses individual. And module is the main programming element. So these 10 keywords can be used with, okay, these 10 keywords are called restricted keywords, not as a normal keywords, because let me write here 10 restricted keywords, 10 more restricted keywords. So why they're called restricted keywords? These 10 are considered as a keywords only in the module program. They're not considered as a keywords under regular class program. So totally how many keywords we have? 51 plus this 10, totally 61, sorry, total 51 plus 3 60, 54 plus 10 64, totally 64. Okay, here 12 51, and then reserved word 51 52 52 53 54. Okay, 54, and these are the 10 restricted keywords. Okay, these 10 restricted keywords are called what? Module programming. Is it clear my point? So this is the basic idea about totally. Now totally tell me, I want you now answer. Totally we have 64 reserved words. Okay, among them 51 are keywords, and next 10 are restricted keywords. Okay, and then 3 are literals, and then 2 are unimplement 3 are unimplemented keywords. Okay, this is the list. So 51 61 60. In 51, let me write like this. In 51, okay, I'm removing this. All right. So 51 10 3. Next, in 51 keywords, 47 are implemented, and what do you call? 4 are where is not a keyword. Okay, let's come to. So that's all about keywords topic completed. Then go into reserved words. So tell me, what is the difference between keyword and reserved word? Okay, what are the differences between reserved word and keyword? Is keyword a reserved word? Can we call a keyword is a reserved word? Can I call a reserved word is a keyword? Every keyword is a reserved word, but every reserved word is not a keyword. Very important. Every keyword is a reserved word, but every reserved word is not a keyword. Every student is a person, but every person is not a student. Laptop is an electronic device, but every electronic device is not a laptop. Every keyword is a reserved word, means we cannot use that word for our user defined identifier. But every keyword is not a what do you call, every reserved word is not a keyword. For example, null is a reserved word, it is not a keyword. When I can call a keyword is a reserved word is a keyword if it is performing some operations. Okay, if it performing some operation, null is not performing any operation, so we cannot call null is a keyword. Class is a reserved word and also a keyword, it is performing some operation. A reserved word that performs some special operation in a Java program is called keyword. Some keywords will not be performed any operation. They are created as a keywords only for generating better compile time errors when they are used as identifiers. Like for example, go to and const. We have 64 reserved words. Among them, 51 are keywords, 3 are literals, 10 are restricted keywords. Okay, so now let's see the hierarchy diagram. This is a 1 point up to Java 8 version. Up to Java 8 version, we have 53 reserved words only there. 50 are the keywords, 48 are implemented, 2 are not implemented. The 2 are not implemented are go to and const, and 3 are literals. From Java 9 version onwards, we have 64 reserved words. They are keywords are 51. In the 51, 48 are implemented, and 3 are not implemented. Unimplemented keywords are 3. They are implemented go to const and underscore. These three are unimplemented. Okay, next, how many literals are there? Three literals are there. True, false, and null are comes under literals. Reserved word, reserved literals, reserved keywords, reserved literals, and reserved restricted keywords. From Java 9 version onwards, we have 10 restricted keywords for module system. So this is the hierarchy diagram you must tell to interviewer. Okay, so don't confuse. Don't confuse. Reserved words are how many? 64. 51 are, if the interviewer asks question how many reserved words, you must say 64. How many keywords, you must say 51. How many literals, you must say 3. What about Java 9, something called restricted keywords? We have said 10. And then what is var? var, var. Var is not a keyword, not a reserved word. It is just a special identifier. That's it. So this is the basic idea about this literals reserved word chapter. Okay. What is the chapter heading? The chapter heading is comments and Java tokens. So then it's a time you need to understand what is a token. Comments completed, and tokens. But I didn't give you any information about token. So what is a token? Simple. You can see in the real life, whenever you are parking your vehicle, then the parking owner will give you one small token to you. The small thing that identify a big thing is called a token. Next, if you take if you go to any shopping mall, you are depositing your bag in a counter and taking one small token. You are using the token, a big bag is identifying, right? So then, what is a token? Java tokens and types of Java tokens. What is a token? A token is the smallest unit in a program that cannot be divided further. A token is a smallest unit in a program that cannot be divided further. You cannot divide. That's the smallest unit last. For example, one token given to you. You can divide and share it to anybody? No, that is the final. So then, now for example, you take this program. In this program, we have a token. Class is a token. This CLASS word is a token, which is used for identifying that big program. Okay. Next, addition. The word addition is a token, which is used to identify that big further program, open bracket, closed bracket. So this is a big program. A program is a combination of several tokens. What are they? How many tokens are there? Look at their class, int. All are one kind of tokens, one group of tokens. Addition, A, B, C are one type of tokens. And next, equal to, plus. These are one type of tokens. 10 and 20 are one type of token. Open bracket, semicolon, closed bracket. These are one type of tokens. So in Java, we have 5 types of tokens: keywords, identifiers, operators, literals, and separators. Java supports 5 types of tokens: identifiers, keywords, literals, operators, separators. So token and types of tokens. Token is the smallest unit in a program that cannot be further divided. Using token, we can identify programming elements and can perform some operation. Java supports 5 tokens: identifiers, keywords, literals, operators, and separators. So this is the big diagram, complete diagram about tokens. Identifiers, 10. Module, package, class, interface, enum, annotation, variable. Identifier is nothing but name only, na? So we are going to use the name. We are going to provide the name to those programming elements. Module, name should be there. Package, name should be there. Class, interface, enum, annotation, name should be there. Variable, name. Method, name. Label, name. Generic parameter, name. So these all comes under name. That's why I wanted to mention them as identifier, 10 programming elements. Then keywords, 51. Okay, all are names. Okay, keywords. Under keywords we have 51. Next, literals, 7 types of literals. I told you 3 literals. Those are the reserved literals. Unreserved literals are also there, like 10, 20, 10.5, 20.9. So totally we have 7 types of literals: integer type, floating point type, character type, boolean type, string type, class type, null type. All these are also comes under token. A program is a combination of 5 different type of tokens. Under each token, okay, how many things are there? Under identifier, 10 identifiers. Under keyword, 51 keywords. Under literals, 7 literals. And next, under separator, we have 12. If you want to write a program, in the program you want to separate one word from another word, one token from another token, we are using 12 words or 12 separators. Open bracket, closed bracket, round bracket, open round, closed, parenthesis we call, square bracket, semicolon, comma, dot, 3 dots. Already you know 3 dots, at the rate, double colon. Under operators, we have 40 operators. Addition operators, relational operators, arithmetic operators, relational operators, okay, ternary operators, okay, we have totally 40 operators are there. And very important points, there are some people who are mixing separator as an operator, operator as a separator. Many of the people are calling that a double colon as a operator. That is wrong. And next, many people are calling diamond. We have a diamond in a diamond brackets also there. Okay, many people are calling it as a diamond operator. But in Java, diamond is not an operator. It is not performing any operation. It is not a separator, not a operator. It's just part of the identifier. It is just a part of the identifier. So as part of Sun Microsystem documentation, diamond is just a symbol. It is not a separator. It is not an operator. But people are calling it as a diamond operator. That is a one mistake. Second mistake, this double colon, people are calling it as an operator, but double colon is not an operator. Double colon is just a separator. Then next, this arrow given in Java 8 version. So arrow, people are calling it as a separator, but it is an operator. Mistaking. So double colon calling as an operator, arrow calling as a separator. They're reverse calling. That's why I mention it carefully. Look at that. Double colon is not an operator in Java. It is a separator used for referencing method and constructor. Next, the arrow is not a separator. It is a lambda expression operator. We call it as a lambda operator. The separators, 3 dots at the rate given in Java 5 version, double colon given in Java 1.8 version, the operator arrow given in Java 1.8 version. Okay, these are the points related to Java tokens. Okay, right. Then this is the chapter completed. Comments and Java tokens. Okay, from 1.2, 1.4, 5, 8, 9, 10. In all these versions we got, okay, these are all the changes, different changes we got in all these versions. So every version change I have clearly mentioned. So now verify all these points are there in your Xerox material, chapter number 2. So now I'm going to the next chapter, that is Edit Plus.